Swagelok fittings and tubing can be acceptable for use as conduit in a Class 1, Division 1 area, provided certain requirements are met. Firstly, the Swagelok fittings and tubing must be certified for use in Class 1, Division 1 hazardous locations. Look for certification from a recognized standards organization such as Underwriters Laboratories or Canadian Standards Association. Secondly, the fittings and tubing must be made of materials that are compatible with the specific hazardous gas or vapor present in the Division 1 area. Thirdly, fittings and tubing must be installed according to the manufacturer's instructions and local electrical codes to ensure a tight seal and prevent potential leaks. Use appropriate thread sealants and lubricants when necessary. Fourthly, conduct regular inspections and maintenance to ensure the integrity of the conduit system, looking for any signs of damage, corrosion, or leaks. Swagelok fittings and tubing may require electrical bonding to prevent the accumulation of static electricity, which could create a spark and ignite the hazardous atmosphere. In some Class 1, Division 1 areas, purge systems may be required to maintain a positive pressure of inert gas within the conduit, preventing the entry of hazardous gases into the system. It is important to document the certification, installation, and maintenance records for the Swagelok conduit system for compliance purposes. I recommend consulting with a qualified electrical engineer or electrician to ensure compliance with applicable codes and standards. Verify the compatibility of Swagelok materials with the specific hazardous atmosphere. Install Swagelok fittings and tubing according to the manufacturer's instructions and local codes. Implement appropriate electrical bonding and purge systems if necessary. Keep detailed documentation for certification, installation, and maintenance. Always prioritize safety and compliance with all applicable regulations when working in hazardous locations.